Hey viewers, if you have a chance to meet your younger version of yourself, what would be the one piece of advice you want to give yourself? For me, the one piece of advice I would give is to never give up on your dreams. Great things are yet to come into life. This is the fifth episode of The Voice of Hustler. Here's a story with a deep motivation for life. Stay tuned. Once upon a time, there were two frogs, one who was fat and the another who was skinny. They went on a journey in the search of food. While they were searching on a farm, they saw a farmer with a bucket. The two frogs thought that they would find something to eat in the bucket. The farmer dropped the bucket. The two frogs climbed up to the bucket, but before they could realize it was milk, they fell into the bucket. They tried to get out of it, but unfortunately, the bucket was slippery, so they were unable to jump out. The fat frog told his friend, "There is no way we are going to make it out of here." The skinny frog told his friend, "Just keep pedaling, just keep pedaling. Don't give up. We will get out of here. Somebody will get us. Just keep pedaling." So the two frogs continued to pedal for hours. The fat frog told his friend again, "I am very tired, my friend. Don't you see? Nobody is going to come and nothing is going to be changed. We are doomed over here. It's better to just give up and drown in peace." The skinny frog replied, "Don't lose hope. Keep pedaling. Someone will come and get us. Something will change. We are going to make out of here together." So the two frogs continued to paddle for a few more hours, but unfortunately, nothing changed and nobody came. And the fat frog was out of hope that someone will come and save them. So the fat frog told his friend, "Nothing is happening from our effect and nobody is coming. I am done trying. I am going to stop pedaling and drown in peace because there is no use in trying more." And the fat frog stopped pedaling and as a result drowned in the vat of milk. Although the skinny frog was sad to see his friend drowning, he kept the pedaling on. Now he started to pedal even faster to get out of the pain of his friend's death. The skinny frog continued to paddle for an hour or more in the hope that someone will come and save him. At last, his hard work paid off. The farmer who came back to take the bucket saw the frog in it. The farmer thought to save the frog, so he took out the frog and left it in the jungle. The skinny frog went into the jungle thinking that if his friend tried a little bit more, they would have been together now. Later, when the frog became old, he told the story to all his grandsons every night as a story of a frog who gave up so that they would never give up in life. Sometimes in life, we go through a phase where we are just trying our best, but we are not getting the exact outcome we have expected, not getting enough appreciation for our work. At times like this, the only thing we can do is just to keep hustling. Drop a comment on what advice you would give to your younger self. Let's catch up in another episode. Till then, keep learning and keep hustling. And remember, never give up on your dreams. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to Autodidact and click on the bell icon to be notified
on all updates from Autodidact.